Hi guys, so discuss natin ngayon ay yung chain rule. So saan ba applicable si chain rule? Si chain rule, applicable siya sa mga functions na may mga functions pa sa loob. Okay? So depende kung gaano karami. Pero yung basic principle lang naman ay kunin yung derivative ni outer function and then i-retain yung mga nasa loob times derivative ni outer function, then sunod-sunod lang. Okay? So depende kung gaano karami yung function sa loob. So para mas madaling maintindihan, kunin na natin yung first example.
So kunyari, given tayo ng y equals 3x squared raised to 4. Okay? So, gagawin natin tatlong ways muna kung paano isolve to. Okay. So, yung yung una natin gagawin ay yung dire-diretso lang. Or, yun nga, yung sa pag-apply agad ng chain rule. Okay. So, gawin na natin. So, ito, dy over dx equals, so baba natin si 4. Ayan, 3x squared raised to 3. Tapos, kunin naman natin yung derivative ng nasa loob. So, magiging bababa ko lang si 2. So, 2 times 3, 6. 6x. Okay? So, dy over dx equals, solve na natin. So, 4. 3 raised to 3, 27. Okay? X squared raised to 3. So, times lang natin yung exponents nila. Magiging x raised to 6. Ayan. Tapos, times 6x. Okay? Then, dy over dx equals, so multiply lang natin. 4 times 27, ito ay 108 times 6, 648. X raised to 7. Okay? So, ito yung final answer natin. Try naman natin using yung substitution. Okay? Para, ito kasi madalas ginagamit talaga tong substitution. Especially for mga beginners. Kasi, para hindi madaling malito, okay? So, gagawin mo, yung inner function mo, i-substitute mo siya as another, variable. So, kunyari, si w equals to 3x squared, okay? So, dito pa lang, kinukuha na to, yung derivative niya. So, dw over dx equals 6x. Okay? So, substitute na natin, y equals w raised to 4. Okay? Then, kunin natin yung derivative. dy over dx equals 4w raised to 3. Since ito, ibang variable siya w, maglalagay tayo ng dw over dx. Okay? Then, substitute na natin yung yung una natin. dy over dx equals 4. W raised to 3 is 3x squared raised to 3. dw over dx is 6x. Okay? So, kung mananotice nyo, ito lang naman yan. Okay? So, hindi ko na i-expand pa. Okay? Yung pangatlong paraan, ito, dapat for chain rule, hindi to option. Ito kasi, actually, hindi na kailangan gamitan to ng chain rule. Kailangan lang simula pa lang nakasimplify na yan. Hindi ko lang sinimplify sa simula para mapakita lang natin na kung paano gumagana si chain rule. Okay? So, y equals, 3x squared raised to 4. So, pwede pa natin ito i-simplify. 3 raised to 4. So, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 81. X raised to 2 times 4, 8. So, derivative lang equals 81 times 8, so 64 times 1, 68, so times 1, 8, 648, x raised to 7. Okay? So, nakikita nyo, same lang naman siya. Okay? Okay. Sa pang example, so kunyari meron tayong y equals 2x plus 4 squared. Okay. So again, gawin ko lang yung tuloy-tuloy niya na pag-solve. So y equals 2x plus 4, tapos derivative na nasa loob times 2. Okay? So y equals, so 2 times 2, 4 times 2. Step by step ko na lang para hindi masyadong malito. 2 times 2x, 4x. 2 times 4, 8. So plus 8 times 2. Y equals 8x plus 16. Okay? Next ay y. So, dy over dx dapat to. Okay. So, try naman natin si substitution. So, y equals 2x plus 4 squared. W equals 2x plus 4. So, dw over dx equals 2. Yan, 2 lang naman siya. So, substitute na natin dito. Y equals w squared. So, kung natin si derivative with respect to x, dy over dx equals 2w times dw over dx. Okay? So, dy over dx equals 2. So, w 2x plus 4 times dw over dx 2. Okay, so yan. Okay, so hindi ko na itutuloy kasi ito lang din naman siya. So eventually mag-end up ka rin dito. Okay? So again, itry natin yung naka-simplified na siya para lang mapakita natin na tama si chain rule. Okay? So, ayan. So, yung pinaka-normal kasi na pagkuha ng derivative, as much as possible, nakasimplify na yung function natin. Okay? So, dito, kunyari, ito naman, power of 2 lang. Mas okay kung i-ano mo na siya, i-expand mo na para hindi ka na masyadong magtatagal. Pero, actually, for this one, mas okay na nga to. Same lang naman sila, ganun din katagal. So, ito, expand ko na. Square of a binomial lang naman. So, square na to, 4x squared plus product na to times 2. So, 16x plus square ni 4, 16. Okay? So, dy over dx equals 8x plus 16. Okay? So, same lang naman. Okay. So, ito naman, medyo complicated naman. Y equals square root of 13x squared minus 5x plus 8. Okay? So, again, yung ano natin, as much as possible, pag may square tayo, gawin natin siyang exponent. Y equals 13x squared minus 5x plus 8 is to 1/2. Okay? So, yan. Y equals, so, baba natin, dy over dx equals 1/2 times, bali magiging 13x squared minus 5x plus 8 is to negative 1/2 times derivative ng inner function. Diba ito? So, magiging 26x minus 5. Okay. So, dy over dx equals 1/2 times, ito, i-rewrite ko lang siya. Again, pag naka-encounter tayo ng negative na exponent, ang gagawin lang natin dito ay ito-transfer mo siya. So, kung kunyari, nasa numerator, para mawala yung negative sa exponent, lipat mo siya sa denominator. Vice versa lang naman. So, magiging 1 over 13x squared minus 5x plus 8 is to 1 half times 26x minus 5. Okay? So, dito, multiply ko na yung numerator. So, 26x minus 5 over, multiply ko na rin sa denominator. 2. Ito, gawin ko na siyang radical. 13x squared minus 5x plus 8. Okay. So, yan lang naman siya. And then, try natin substitution. So, dapat ito din kalalabasan. So, y equals, ito na lang gamitin ko since nasulat na naman natin. So, let w be equal to 13x squared minus 5x plus 8. Okay. So, dw over dx equals 26x minus 5. Okay. So, y equals w raised to 1 half. So, dy over dx equals, baba natin to, 1 half times w raised to negative 1 half. So, i-ano ko na to, dw plus dw over dx. dy over dx equals 1 over 2 square root of w. Okay? Times dw over dx muna. Okay? So, dy over dx equals 1 over 2 wi 13x squared minus 5x plus 8 times dw over dx 26x minus 5. So, dy over dx equals 26x minus 5 over 2 square root of 13x squared minus 5x plus 5. So, ito, pareho lang naman yung nakuha natin sa graph. So, expected naman yan. Ito yung final answer natin. Actually, pwede mo pa siyang ayusin. Kasi as much as possible, di ba? Ayaw natin may square sa denominator. So, i-multiply mo lang naman siya ng ito over ito din. So, essentially, multiplying it by 1 para lang mawala yung square root sa denominator. So, hindi ko na gagawin dito. Okay. Next example. So, y equals cosine 3x plus 4. Okay. So, dy over dx equals, ayan, so, derivative ng outer function, negative sign, and tapos 3x plus 4 times derivative ng inner function, so 3. So, dy over dx equals negative sign, negative 3 sine 3x plus 4. Okay, so ganun lang naman kadali. Again, for substitution, y equals cosine 3x plus 4. Let w equal to 3x plus 4. Okay, so dw equals, dw over dx equals 3. So y equals cosine w. dy over dx equals negative sine w times dw over dx. dy over dx equals negative sine 3x plus 4 times 3. Okay, so dy over dx equals negative 3 sine 3x plus 4. Okay. So same. Okay. Next. Okay. So ito yung dalawa na yung function sa loob. So y dy over dx, derivative ni outer function. Yan, so negative cosine of 3x plus 4. Derivative ni inner function, so negative sine 3x plus 4 times derivative ulit ni inner function, 3. Okay? So, negative 3, negative, tas positive 3. So, 3 to. Then, copy ko lang, cosine of cosine 3x plus 4 times sine 3x plus 4. Okay, so yan yung final answer. Okay. And then gawin natin yung substitution. So y equals sine of cosine 3x plus 4. Okay, so w equals cosine 3x plus 4. dw over dx equals negative sine, mali pala. Ulitin natin. Una muna yung pinaka-inner function. So, w equals 3x plus 4. dw over dx equals 3. Okay? So, substitute natin. Y equals sine cosine w. Okay? So, since may inner function pa tayo, isa pang mag-let pa tayo. So, let's say v equals cosine w, dv over dx equals negative sine w dw over dx. Okay. Then substitute ulit. Y equals sine of cosine w is v. Okay. Yan. So, derivative dy over dx equals negative cosine v dv over dx. dy over dx equals negative cosine, ano ba si v? So, cosine w. W times dv over dx. Ito. Times negative sine dw over dx. Iusog ko na lang. dy over dx equals negative cosine w is 3x plus 4 times sine w to kulang. So w is 3x plus 4, so negative sine 3x plus 4 times dw over dx is 3. Okay, so ito lang naman to. Okay, so yun lang naman for chain rule.
Okay, so yun lang naman for chain rule. Okay? So kung may gusto pa kayong ipadagdag na examples, ilagay lang sa comment section sa baba. Okay?